Hey guys, Justin here again. I hope you guys did your homework because we're moving on to part 4 of the series, What is a Story Plot Arc? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is falling action. The main element for the falling action is where you show all the characters at the happiest. So let's continue using Iron Man as an example since we've been using it this far. The falling action is where Tony Stark is getting ready for his press conference, right? He's talking with Pepper Potts and Agent Coulson, and we get more information about Obadiah Stane and how the cover-up of his death is going. Then, after Agent Coulson gives Tony Stark those index cards with what he's supposed to read off, Tony starts joking about some things he wants to say differently, and then Agent Coulson just gives him this look of, no, just stick with the cards. So after that, we finally get to see Tony Stark begin his press conference by reading from the index cards from the script. And then this leads to the resolution of the film or of the story. So for your homework, show your characters once the conflict is finally resolved. Show them at their happiest moment because this whole time they've been dealing with conflict and having to overcome it, and they finally did. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for the next and last part of what is a story plot arc, which is called the resolution. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys next week on my next episode.